Hello everyone, welcome back to my learning session of Big Data, the world of big values. So all you know that in this entire tutorial, we are discussing about big data ecosystem and big data related terms. In the previous video, we understood about how did Hive and Hadoop correlate each other and used for data mining. In this video, we will see about introduction of Apache Spark. So what is happening in these days, like industries are using Hadoop extensively to analyze their data sets. As we can say, like they are analyzing their big data sets. The reason is that Hadoop framework is based on the simple programming model that is MapReduce, and it enables the computing solution that is scalable, flexible, fault tolerant, as well as cost effective. Here, the main concern is to maintain speed in processing large dataset in the term of waiting time between the queries and the waiting time to run the program. So in that condition, to overachieving the speed and to flexibility, Spark was introduced by Apache Software Foundation. It is just for speeding up the Hadoop computational computing as well as for software process. So we have to understand that what is actually Apache Spark. So Apache Spark is a lightning fast cluster computing technology designed for fast computation. It is based on Hadoop MapReduce and it extends the MapReduce model to efficiently use it for more types of computation, which includes interactive queries and stream processing. The main feature of a Spark is its in-memory cluster computing that increase the processing speed of an application. So we can understand like Apache Spark is designed to cover a wide range of workload such as batch processing, batch application, interactive algorithm, interactive queries, and streaming data. Apart from supporting all these workloads in a respective system, it reduces the management burden of maintaining separate tools. So Spark has several advantages compared to other big data and MapReduce technologies like Hadoop and Storm. Right now, I'm not going to discuss about Storm here because this is completely different and I will discuss about Storm into the upcoming videos. First of all, Spark gives us a comprehensive unified framework to manage big data processing requirement with a variety of dataset that is diverse in nature, that is text data, graph data, etc., as well as source of data like batch data or real-time streaming data. Spark enables application in Hadoop cluster to run up to 100 times faster in memory and 10 times faster even with running on disk. Spark let you quickly write application in Java, Scala or Python. It comes with built-in set of exactly like over 80 high-level operators. In addition to MapReduce operation, it supports SQL queries as well as streaming data, machine learning, and graph data processing. Developers can use their capability standalone or combine them to run in a single data pipeline use cases. Currently, right now, Spark pipeline is the more demanded to the market. Let's see what are the features Spark having itself. So already we discussed like Spark take MapReduce to the next level with less expensive shuffle in the data processing with capability like in memory, data storage and near real-time processing. The performance can be several times faster than the other big data technologies. Spark also support lazy evaluation of big data queries, which helps with optimization of the steps in data processing workflows. It provides a higher level API to improve developers' productivity as well as a considered architecture model for big data solutions. Spark holds intermediate result in memory rather than writing them to disk, which is very useful especially when you need to work on same dataset multiple times. It is designed to be an execution engine that works both in memory as well as on the disk. Spark operator performs external operation such as when data does not fit into the memory. Spark can be used for processing dataset that larger than the aggregate memory into the cluster. In the last, we can say like Spark will attempt to store as much as data in memory and then it will split into disk. It can store part of the data set in memory and remaining data on the disk. You have to look at your data and use cases to access the memory requirement. With this in-memory data storage, Spark comes with performance advantage. Other Spark features include support more than just MapReduce function, optimize arbitrary operation goals, processing workflow, provide considered and consistent API in Scala, Java, and Python. Spark is written in a Scala programming language and run on Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM. It currently supports so many languages for developing application using Spark such as Scala, Java, Python, R, etc. So in this video, you understood what is the meaning of Apache Spark and what is the feature of Apache Spark. I hope you understood it very well. In the next video, we will understand exactly the word that what is data scientist and what is the meaning of data science. I just kindly request to you, if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe it, as well as comment down what do you understand about this video and what you want to learn into the upcoming times. I will try my best to cover up all the things. Till that, thanks.